Happy morning! Have you ever seen sea creatures? Yes, there are many beautiful sea creatures. Maybe you can't even count those. Okay, there are some chances that you can count. And here are my top 5. Counting down from 5. First to go is sea hare. No, it's not hair sprouting out of the sea. It's just a bunny-like creature which is actually something like a slug which crawls across the sea. It's exceptionally very beautiful, but don't touch it. It's poisonous. If you want, you can take a few pictures. Don't go too close and disturb it, or you might get a poisonous sting and you need to get treatment as fast as possible. Second to go is the blue whale. Yes, you might all know the blue whale, and it's not only found in Whales Island. It can be found in warm waters and cold waters, never hot waters. They don't like hot waters. They only like warm and cold waters. And did you know that these blue whales don't have teeth? Yes, many fish don't have teeth. So what's about this fish? This giant fish? No, this is not a fish. No, it might look like a fish to you, but it's not. It's a mammal, just like us humans, cats, dogs, and animals. And these mammals also have teeth, but not regular teeth like the ones we have. These teeth are like filters. So they gulp in water, filter out the water, and take in all the krill inside it. What's krill? Yes, tiny sea creatures which can be seen by naked eye, but you need a magnifying glass for that. You need not use a microscope. Microscope will be too good for that. The next to go is, do you know about the great white shark? Yes, it's one of the most feared sea creatures now. You need not fear it. These sharks' main food is seals and small whales and some fish. But these are not man-loving man-eaters. These are just calm, giant, cartilagey, bony fish which like to snack on small whales, seals, and fish. But there's one nasty surprise. If you go out to swimming in the sea or surfing, be careful with sharks. If a great white shark spots you while you are swimming, it is most likely that it doubted you for a seal and just took a giant experimental bite, and that's it. Next to go is Helicoprion. Let me tell it again and pronounce it slowly for you. Helicoprion. Helicoprion. It's not some kind of sea helicopter. I don't know what you think about undersea helicopters, but I have no idea. Helicoprion has a long nose something like a dolphin or else a walrus. But the top row of teeth is just like a regular teeth like a shark. But the bottom teeth, in the bottom lower jaw, there are no teeth. Why? There's only plain jaw and a spiraling blade like tooth blade. So the blade will have teeth like this. So it can rotate. As it bites food, it can rotate and tear it to pieces before swallowing the pieces whole. Last to go, the top one, Megalodon. Yeah, it's some kind of big shark, but it's prehistoric and it's long extinct now. It's just something more than a great white shark. but it has 5 rows of teeth. If one row wears out, the next row steps in, and the next that row which was used will sprout up with new teeth. Goes on and on. Don't you wish we had teeth like that? If we keep breaking our teeth, new teeth will always sprout up and rotate into the next row. Thank you. Bye.